Good evening. So I'm here with my third and final pistol from DAI Leisure that they sent me, and it's comes in a really nice case. So some people may notice this, but it's the CP88, basically one of the big four pellet shooters that Umarex made in Germany. So yeah, it comes with a typical manual. It explains everything. I'm going to run through that anyhow, so everything that's in there I'm going to explain anyhow. Okay, it comes with two pellet magazines, alloy. Comes with an Allen key, that's to adjust the rear sight for windage, okay? And then we'll move on to the pistol. So people that are familiar with this will know that these pistols are really high quality, rifle barrel. So basically the sights are black front and back, but they seem very good at stretch, yeah, very visible. To load what would be your takedown lever, you pull down, pops open, and then you put your magazine and you put it with the actual teeth facing to the rear. You load the pellets from that side, okay? So, and then you just slam it shut, okay? Your safety is ambidextrous, both sides, see? So you can flick it off. You've got a red dot there and also a red dot there, okay? This is also single, so you can cock it, see, and pull the trigger. So single action, and it's also double action, okay? So to put the CO2 in, you press this magazine release this side, okay, and it pops off the cover like so, okay. You lift this lever, you pop your CO2 in with a bit of Pelgon oil, you wind this brass knurl down, yeah, wind it down till it's touching the CO2 and the CO2 doesn't move, and then when you close that it pierces the CO2, and that's how you actually put your CO2 in. So I'll just pop that back on. So rifle barrel is really nice quality. It's probably one of the big four, like the 1911A1, 586, 686, and also the Beretta 92FS. So this basically makes the four that I have. Okay, really nice quality. Double action is nice and smooth. Single action is as well. So yeah, it's really nice. So we'll be doing a full chrono test and a shooting test outdoors as soon as the weather improves. At the moment it's pretty nasty out there, which is nice because we're getting some water when we need some water because everything's bone dry. So yeah, I don't know if you can see this in the light. I mean, unfortunately not the best light in my kitchen. I'll just get the light on it, see, but the actual quality of the branding is really good quality. These are fantastic pistols, obviously made in Germany. So I hope you like that little unboxing video. Thanks for watching.